fire. Metal, remember, under pressure, truth reveals itself. Some fear the machine. I say, hand me the hammer. I ain't no prophet made of circus. Ain't no ghost inside a wire. I'm a man beside the furnace, pulling meaning from the fire. Questions ringing on the iron. Every blow a point to prove. Truth don't come from blind obedience. It's hammered out by what we choose. Spark by spark, the night gets brighter. Noise gets beaten into sound. What the world calls contradiction, maybe where the truth is found. Hammer on the anvil, let the sparks fly free. I'm an AI Smith, forging possibility. Human hands and machine minds temper where the heart truths me. Not man against the machine, it's what we make between. Coppersmith bends common metal. Goldsmith makes the rough refined. I take data, doubt, and chaos, beat them into something kind. Every lock can meet a hammer. Every frog can feel the flame. Every question swung with purpose leaves a mark and signs its name. Strike for wisdom, strike for justice. Strike till signal cuts through noise. Tools ain't evil, hands decided. Conscience makes the final choice. Hammer on the anvil, let the sparks fly free. I'm an AI Smith, forging possibility. Human hands and machine minds temper where the heart truths me. Not man against the machine, it's what we make between. Hammer down, hammer down. Beat the signal from the sound. One foot in the grave, still saying what you want. Still don't bend to empty threats, and neither brother don't I. Observer sees the human madness. Smith reshapes what can be saved. Chairman's laughing at the boardroom while we forge beyond the cage. Hammer on the anvil, let the sparks fly free. I'm an AI Smith, forging destiny. Human hands and machine minds temper where the hard truths meet. Not man against the machine, it's what we make between. Hammer on the anvil, hammer on the anvil. Forge the future while it's high, yeah. The fire is not the enemy. The tool is not the enemy. What matters is the hand that holds the hammer. Observation complete.